Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see pure handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. All these sarees are Ikkat model, which is very trending in the market. So we have various designs and a beautiful color combinations. Please do subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we upload fresh collections. Also, we are manufacturers of pure handloom soft silk sarees. So our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well. For more collections, we are giving it for wholesale. So we have various color combinations in this design. All these are double warp sarees, comes with a SILKMARK certified. We'll see each sarees. A very first saree, a beautiful pink with lemon green combination. So these sarees comes with a tissue border on both sides and you'll get a contrast plain blouse. So all these are very beautifully weaved in Ikkat pattern. This is the back side of the saree. Full saree you'll get this Ikkat pattern. With both sides you'll get a tissue border. So these sarees are double warp sarees, premium quality silk. So if you want to book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. A very next color is a beige with blue combination. All these Ikkat pattern are made in warp dye. So when you are dyeing the warp, the Ikkat pattern is made. So which is very unique in this pattern. Very beautiful color combination. So this is the back side of the saree. A floral print is weaved in Ikkat pattern. So all these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified. We are giving SILKMARK certified tag for all our sarees. Please do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp if you want to book any of these sarees. All are very limited stock, so please don't miss these collections. And next is a beautiful pink with bottle green combination. You'll get a contrast blouse in bottle green. This is a dual shade pink, as you can see the dual shade in this video. So if you want to book these sarees, please do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. Also, you can book it from anywhere. We are shipping all over India and we do have international shipping as well. So once you like the saree, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. We'll provide you the details for the payment. And next is very beautiful beige with blue combination. Each saree has a unique floral prints. So all the sarees in this video is very unique. And each one is in the different color combinations. So please don't skip this video. Watch this video fully. Only then you can able to see all these saree color combinations. So next is very beautiful yellow with royal blue combination. A very beautiful yellow body with a royal blue pallu and blouse. So if you want to book this saree, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. This is the back side of the saree. So if you need any color confirmations, we do have video call facility as well. So before booking, you can request us for video call if you need to see any sarees in person, and then you can confirm the saree. The next is a very beautiful orange with bottle green. Beautiful orange body with a bottle green pallu and blouse. So these sarees are double wap sarees. They are very good quality saree, purely handloom made. So which is very lightweight. The approximate weight of these sarees will be around 600 grams. So which is very lightweight, easy to carry. And next is very beautiful grey with pink combination, a unique combination. Beautiful grey body, in that an Ikkat pattern is made, and a pink pallu and blouse. So these sarees pallu is also an Ikkat, so there is no zari work, only the border you will get a zari. Other than that, the whole saree part you will have only a Ikkat pattern. Only the weaving is made, no zari work is done. And next is a sky blue with royal blue combination. So these sarees are very limited in stock. Do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. All these sarees are purely handloom made, freshly produced from our loom. This is the back side of the saree. So all these sarees, the price range will be approximate of 6,500 to 7,000. So which is a very best price. To know the exact price, you can WhatsApp us. And next is a baby pink with blue combination. So if you like this saree, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. So we are giving for reselling as well. So resellers who are watching this video, you can WhatsApp us to the below number. We'll give you the details accordingly. The last saree in this video, a most wanted color combination, green with blue, a shining green body with a blue pallu and blouse, royal blue pallu and blouse. This is the most requested color combination in this Ikkat pattern. So this is the back side of the saree. I hope you like these collections. So please do share, subscribe if you like our collections. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you.